Hello and welcome. In this episode, I'm gonna show you how to install ATtiny Microcontroller to Arduino IDE. When we want to use ATtiny 85 or 45 microcontroller from the Arduino microcontroller family, we need to upload Arduino software code to this microcontroller. So we need support in Arduino IDE software. We try to choose it right here from the board. We don't find ATtiny. We have Arduino Uno, Arduino Leonardo, but we don't have Arduino from ATtiny microcontroller. So we need to add it. This is the board manager here. All available boards. There's no ATtiny microcontroller. So we start by File, Preferences. We go to Additional Board Manager URL, and we get the URL from here. Copy this link and paste it. Okay. We find board manager. We find that ATtiny board added. We install. Here it is installed. So we can find the board. Here it is, ATtiny 85 board. We go to processor, we choose ATtiny 85. We go to clock internal 8 megahertz, and that's it. Now we only need to program hardware connection between ATtiny and Arduino Uno board to program Arduino software inside ATtiny microcontroller. And this is the connection, and it will be in another video. If you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe and share. Thank you and goodbye.